I apologise about the hairstyle, or lack of hairstyle. So this is what happens when the husband goes away for 6 months. You just find more time to play with your makeup. Naughty girl. If you're not aware, my husband's just recently gone away for 6 months. And we're going out to join him next week in Italy for 3 weeks with the kids. And I'll be doing some vlogging while I'm there, hopefully. Thanks for stopping by at my channel. What I thought I would do for today's video is share with you my different variations, and there's so much more I could do for smoky eyes. Everyone loves the smoky eye. One being the classic black smoky eye, to a colourful smoky eye, and then to my favourite one of all, which would be this one. It's the only one which incorporates the shimmer eyeshadow. This is like the kind of look that I get asked to do a lot, and for me personally, I prefer this. This is my favourite type of look, which suits me. Minus the hair. If my hair was all done and I had a really nice outfit on, this is my going out go-to look. I probably would have a bit more blusher on, but everything else is pretty much how I would do it. But I concentrated mostly on the eyes on this video, so if something seems a little bit off with the base, blusher, etc. I did do bronzing, just didn't go in too much with the base. I still have to go outside during the daytime, so I couldn't go full whack on the face. I'm concentrating mostly on my eyes, and that I did take my time with. For the age I am, for my age, I feel like I don't really feel very comfortable going too much darker than this. I mean, this, I think, after doing so many different looks, is my favourite type of go-to look for going out in the evening as well, because it gives you just a really gorgeous amount of intensity. As soon as I stuck the lashes on, I was like, I want to go out tonight, but that's not happening. I don't know if I'm going to do a voiceover or just add music to it, or do a bit of both. Haven't decided that yet, but it's not a really long video. There's definitely other types of smoky eyes you can do. I could go on and show you guys more, but I just thought I would stick to the most obvious, like the classic, a colourful, and something like this, which is a little bit more softer, but it's still considered to be smoky. And you can even do like a half smoky eye like this without the shimmer, which still looks very, very nice as well. Because I didn't add any shimmers on the other two looks, which you'll see, I wanted to add shimmer on this one, and I know that I probably would if I was to do this look. The only time I wouldn't add the shimmer is if it was a daytime look, where I just wanted to smoke out the eyes a tiny bit during the day. I am hanging on. I've resisted buying the Urban Decay Naked Foundation, the Pat McGrath foundation. Probably going to resist the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, but there is one, maybe two, which are coming out very, very soon, which are grabbing my interest. I definitely feel like at least 4 or 5 bottles up there are coming to like a quarter left. So is that an excuse to go ahead and treat myself to a 1 or 2 foundations? I don't know, but guess what? My husband's away and left me with 4 children, so I might just go ahead and be naughty and purchase myself 2. And just don't tell him before he gets back. I don't know. I have an issue. Around the time of their release, I am going to be in Italy. What am I going to do? So I do want to do these releases, the foundation reviews, but if I can't actually get my hands on them while we're in Italy, I'll probably still do the reviews, but it will be after when I get back. So I will definitely do the review, so hopefully you guys will be able to wait and see my thoughts on how those foundations are on a maturer, dry skinned lady like myself. Let me know what you think about the smoky eye. Do you still rock a smoky eye? I absolutely love this type of smoky eye. It is just me. I love it. Hope you enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another video.
Bye.